Dude, you go, but stop.
What? Stop what?
Angle.
Handshake दिखा रहा था मैं. Hello ACGs and welcome to another vlog. I should look here right in the camera. Let's do that again. Hello ACGs and welcome to my new vlog. It's about 9:40 and we're going to a hype party which is in Weston, Pune, and well, we're gonna meet a lot of people over there, a lot of sneakerheads, a lot of streetwear enthusiasts, make new friends, you know. But before that, I'm gonna do my skincare routine. We'll have to dress up obviously in streetwear, and I'm gonna most probably wear my Air Jordan 1 Neutral Grease retro. Okay, so here's the deal. We're gonna wear these beautiful things, the neutral grays, and I want the outfit to be retro as well, you know, a little vintage kind of outfit that would go with the whole thing. So here's what I'm doing. Again, to my not so big closet. I first thought of this thing, the Metallica t-shirt, but this is gonna look like too underdressed for a party. So I'm gonna go for more like this one right here. This one is pretty cool. I'll go with this. Get these loose denim. Obviously a matching pair of socks that has the green and the yellows on it. Well, that's our outfit basically. Hey, there we go. This is my outfit. Alright, here's the one in the mirror. The sweatshirt. A chain matching some metals, and if you can see these are other cuffs. Goes with another metal in my glasses, and there we go. Your smooth, relaxed fit denim, very washed out, and your neutral grays, obviously. So fucking cool. We're all ready to go. And obviously, don't forget Awni. Awni is our content here. We're gonna meet Awni in about half an hour, and we'll go in together. Alright, we're off. We have a rig downstairs because apparently we cab yahan pe aa nahi raha tha. But we're all set with the outfit. I got a tote bag as well. That's it. Here we are. We're going up. It's on the 11th floor. So yeah, cake's looking good as well, but I don't have the crease protectors as of now. I know I need to get them, but hey, anyway, we're almost here. Guys, Awni. Of this whole place, so that I'm not running out of things for a vlog. You're wearing your orange Jordans again. Orange.
See my eyes? Do you see?
Yeah, yeah. What about them?
They look nice, right?
Like the makeup, yeah.
Thank you.
So we're gonna can and leave because it's kind of lame here. Yeah. Here? Right here? Where do we take a picture? Lighting, dude. Lighting is everything. Let's do that. Let's do that. That's how we're gonna take a picture. What?
Home. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna get high.
I wanna get high.
Have a lot of like shit ton of ice cream.
Lot of it.
Yeah.
Right. Here you go, guys. Awni content. I don't. Priyanka does.
Do you have it on you right now? Can you ask Priyanka to send us some?
No, not really. I have the male ego thing, you know. So what now? We're gonna just get high.
We're just gonna go home, get fucking high, eat McDonald's.
Separately. You forgot
yeah.
separately.
You go home, I go my place, and we get high. Maybe on video call I'll FaceTime you for fun.
Oh, that sucks.
And then we're gonna eat ice cream. Yeah.
Right. Oh, okay. So it's kind of a tricky situation. Avni left because she booked a cab pretty much right off the bat, but I forgot to. Now is when I did it, and my cab driver is very late. I gotta pee really bad. There's some One Piece going on. By the way, I stopped in the middle to pee, and look what happened. What the fuck? This sucks. Hey guys, Awni is here with another good outfit. Oops, zoomed in the wrong direction. But hey, we have a really bad news to announce. Could you say it yourself?
I'm moving to Bangalore. I won't be seeing Aarya for some time now.
Do you guys know what that means? No more Awni content. What the fuck? You're leaving them alone.
I'm sorry.
That's just...
I don't care about them. I care about you, you asshole. I'm leaving you.
Oh.
Wholesome.
Yeah.
Content.
And she's not my sister, okay? Just to clarify before she leaves.
And we are not dating. Fuck, I'm not his wife, I'm not his sister, I'm not his girlfriend.
Yeah.
Title of the vlog.
What?
Saddest vlog ever.
Saddest vlog ever. Yeah, I was gonna put in something like a hype party base pe, but the saddest
vlog
ever.
Because this hype party was the saddest party
It
ever.
was the saddest part. Oh, I hope the guy who organized the party doesn't watch this. तो वो मेरे को कहीं बुलाएगा नहीं.
वो नहीं बुलाता, मैं बुलाती हूँ.
You don't have to say that in the video.
I take you places, honey. I'll take you places. You better send your merch to me.
I will. You'll have to pay for the courier.
Yeah, I'll pay. I'll pay just for the courier.
Deal.
Stop.
What? Stop what?
Angle.
Handshake दिखा रहा था मैं.
What did you?
Chalo, you'll have to keep that dustbin.
I have to
No, you'll have to. So apparently they just stopped us from smoking over here because it's not allowed. But then Awni, with her out of the box thinking, decided to take the bin over there and smoke. That's Awni content that we're gonna miss. Exactly. And I'm gonna be taking that. Sunset looks good. That. Oh, you're looking good in the lighting.
I know. We'll photo you off here.
Farewell.
Adios.
Miss you so much.
I'll see you soon. I'll see you next month.
Yeah. Let's hope.